Delicious, healthy, and easy to make avocado toast is a trend with staying power. Today, we're elevating your everyday avocado toast, topping it with a fresh, herb-infused bean salad, roasted tomatoes, and feta cheese. First, we'll prepare all of our toppings. Mix sliced red onion, garlic, seasoned rice vinegar, salt, and pepper in a bowl, and set aside for 15 minutes to make our quick pickled onions. Next, preheat a pan over high heat. When very hot, toss in the half-cherried tomatoes and allow them to sit for a few minutes, seasoning with salt and pepper. Toss as they begin to char and remove from the pan when they begin to collapse and have nicely charred edges. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, combine the drained mixed beans with the pickled onions, garlic, and all of the pickling juices. Add olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper, and toss to combine. The bean salad tastes best if allowed to marinate for at least an hour. To serve, gently fold the mixed herbs, charred tomatoes, and feta cheese into the bean salad. Season to taste with salt and Aleppo pepper. Brush the slices of bread with olive oil and toast or grill on both sides. Crush half an avocado directly onto each slice of toast. Spoon about 1/6 of the bean salad on top of the avocado, garnishing with more feta. There you have it. A beautiful, delicious, and healthy avocado toast with herby bean salad, roasted tomatoes, and feta, full of plant-based protein and packed with flavor.